This is the fitting that's on back of the ABC pump, I guess accumulator reservoir. It's full of like black or brown gunk. There's a screen right there that I've never heard anyone mention before. It's on the back of the pump. This is the C55 I'm putting in now, so it goes in the hole in the back of the pump right there. But I've never heard anyone mention the screen there, just the filter. I don't know how good it's going to pick this up. But there's a bunch of... Using a toothbrush, that screen just disintegrated. I tried back flushing with a brake cleaner from these holes, covering up one hole, and back flushing, that stuff didn't want to blast out, or it wouldn't dissolve pushing that way, so it's probably pieces of seal. I mean, that's not all that freaking hard, that toothbrush. It literally pushed the screen pushed right through the screen. I can probably make another screen out of I have screens for AC filter and AC in AC lines, so it might have a screen that size, around that size, I can put in there. It just looks like I have to pop this off. I can put a screen in there. I'd rather have it in there now that I know that's crap's floating around in there. This is the fitting that goes onto the back of the hose that goes in the back of the power steering ABC pump, the banjo bolt. When I was using a toothbrush, it actually ripped the brass screen that was inside of it. I had some of these filter screens for AC. This is the smallest one. I think it's one of them GM AC filter screens. Took a 1/2-inch drill, drilled really easy. Took a 1/2-inch drill and slightly rounded it out. And now I can push that in there. I'll be able to tap it down in there, probably with this. Tap it down in there. So I took Phillips and kind of pleated the inside of the screen, because it's bulging out. It's slightly bigger than the outside of the metal ring, but that'll fit through the bolt, or through the hole for the line that comes in the back of the accumulator. I guess that'd be accumulator. It's like an open box or can for the ABC pump on the SL500 with the C55 motor, but that's a stock SL500 ABC system. Yeah, I didn't know there was a screen in that. I've never heard anyone say there was a screen in here.